welcome back to our vlog. Today is my birthday! Happy birthday! So, pupunta kami ngayon ng K-pub Korean barbecue restaurant. Malapit lang yun dito sa amin, like, I think 3 or 5 minutes away lang. So, hinihintay lang namin si Daddy. Bali kanina, galing na kami ng Costco tsaka Home Depot na namili na kami ng mga materials para sa flooring. So, i-start na rin namin ngayon yung pag-renovate nung living area namin. Tatanggalin na namin yung carpet. And, yun. So, tara, sama kayo sa amin. First time lang din namin dito sa, sa restaurant na to. So, we'll see kung masarap ba or ano. So, mga samgyup yung meron sila doon. So, tatry namin. Okay? So, ayun lang siya, guys. So, tapat siya ng Costco. Costco dito sa side na to. Tapos, ayun na siya. Open na ba? This is their menu, guys. Hi, we're ready. Yeah. Can we get the combo A, tapos isang shrimp fried rice?
Ano po yung gusto niyo sa combo A po? Egg custard po or soup?
Soup.
Soup daw.
I want soup. Anything else po?
Drinks, root beer. Meron pa yung root beer.
Ano mga
Parang
drinks?
naubuso na po kami ng root beer.
Sige. Akin Mountain Dew.
Akin Pepsi. Thank you. 21. Daddy.
I mean, mommy, to clear the thing. Soup and rice. Just soup? $15 na.
I like mozzarella cheese.
Yeah, that's mozzarella. Oh, my favorite tofu.
Can you give me some?
Favorite tofu. Yung, iganan mo, soup bago ka. Isasabaw yung soup.
The meat.
Sina?
Dito po, basta po nag-combo po kayo. Anti-rice na po siya. Para lang po siyang makinasal.
Bigyan mo nga bacon yung kapatid mo. Bacon yan, bacon.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys. Ito na lang yung aming pagkain. Marami pa rin. So, itong in-order namin is yung combo meal na letter A. Yung pinakauna. It's $140. It's good for 2 to 3 people. Pero kami, as mahina kaming kumain. So, ayan. Sobra-sobra pa talaga sa amin. Try nyo rito guys. Masarap yung mga pagkain nila. Okay, it's time to Sharonian. Ito guys yung bill namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you!
Open the gift.
Open the gift.
Oh yeah!
What gift?
I don't see a gift.
You can give it to you.
That's not it. Yeah. Oh, this is from my coworker, Debbie. Card. Puro pink talaga. Lahat talaga pink. And that's it. Okay. And then, this one. Yan natin. Sana pink, 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 pink. Limited. Pink, pink, pink. Pink. Oy. Oh, I think orange. Oh, yeah. Which one is this one? Ito. Okay, thank you guys! So, dito guys, unahin ni Daddy gawin.
Wow. Wait, what? It's a chicken.
Playing domino.
We could do that. That's, oh wait, you cannot do that yet.
Oh, I still can because there I have few now.
Go. Got this. Got 0.
update, guys. Ayan. Okay, guys, update. It's already 10:30 p.m. So, ito na yung nagawa. Tapos, na-move na namin doon yung TV.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our vlog. Today is the next day, so May 25th, Sunday, and dito kami ngayon sa church. Ako lang, si Daddy, tsaka si Quincy mag-church today. So yeah, hindi maganda ang panahon ngayon, umaambon. Okay.
Kumusta?
Hello po. This is for Daddy.
Visitors? Please come forward, visitors. You are 84 years old.
Nice.
Today is strong enough. You're just a visitor. Thank you for being here with us. Let's sing.
Hey guys, so pumunta na kami ngayon ng McDonald's. Kasama na namin si Katix. Say hi pa ba? Yan, nakapag-change na rin ako ng clothes. So, tara, let's kain muna kami sa McDonald's. Dahil gutom na si Ate Quincy. Ayun. Okay.
Green sheep. What's that? Daddy, is that a green sheep? I think that's a green sheep. It is. Wow, it's so cute. This is mine. Okay. So I have a axolotl hat wait to open it. I think it might have the Minecraft chocolate milk again. Well,
You got it?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, good. Oh, didn't have some toys yet.
Yes.
Mama, have you come to watch so that I see? Oh, what?
Open it.
Huh? I want to open it if it's the axolotl.
Okay.
More french fries? Oh. The turkey.
We are here at Home Depot, guys.
Oh, thank you.
Again.
We get to have the iPad. 3, 2, 1.
This is aisle 8. Oh.
Look at this llama.
Yeah, this one. No, this is good. And then this one. Done.
Mommy, I saw a bubblegum flavor lollipop.
Please remove your card. Thank you for shopping at the Home
Give it to
Depot.
Tree.
Okay, let's go.
Please remove your card. Would you like an e-receipt?
Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Michaels. Bali, hindi kami nakahanap ng white spray paint sa Home Depot. So, titingin kami dito kung meron silang available.
Daddy, what
It's supposed to be there.
year
Doon
were you
sa...
born?
Wall. Doon sa wall.
Ha?
Yeah, blossom white. White yan.
Primer nga yan.
Paint and primer yan, Daddy. Nag-iisa na lang.
Wala bang iba?
Ito, may white. Semi-gloss. Semi-gloss to.
Yeah, mabigat mo.
They don't.
They have one for the fishes.
Okay, let's go. They don't have the one that I need.
Wait, what?
They don't have the one that I need.
Oh, you mean the walrus?
Item secured, guys. So, ngayon pupunta na kami ng Costco. Andito na kami, guys, sa Costco. Yeah, dito ka. Ipasok ka pala.
Ito yun, di ba? Dumami na. Nag-stock sila.
Go ahead.
Ilan?
15.
My feet. Mommy, my feet tired. Please.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, we got 15 boxes. Let's
Kahit
go!
sit down here para kita. Come here. Dito ka. Yeah. Like that. Ayoko ka doon. Kasi tama mo sinusod ko. Hindi ka mahabot.
Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa car. And pauwi na kami. Nakabili kami ng 15 boxes of wood floor. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung update sa nagawa. I think napakita ko na sa inyo dun sa clip from last night. And then, i-update ko na lang ulit kayo sa mga magagawa ni Daddy mamaya. Okay? So, yun. Pag natapos tong renovation na to, i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano yung like overall total na napamili namin yung expenses. Magmula sa mga materials, yung wood floor, and then sa mga ginamit ni Daddy. Kasi syempre, first time siyang gumawa ng ganito. So, lahat talaga ng kailangan, like equipment kanya, is binili namin talaga lahat. So, nasa akin lahat yung receipt. And then, once everything's done, share ko sa inyo lahat yung parang break list ng expenses. Para meron din kayong idea just in case na in the future gusto nyo siyang gawin, tas kayo lang din yung gagawa, you know, and kasi gusto nyo rin magpa-ganito, and then parang mag-ano kayo, like magpapa-labor kayo, para meron kayong comparison, okay? So, yun guys, I'll update you later, okay? Okay guys, so it's already 2:53 p.m. and ayan, halos lahat na ng gamit na nandito sa side na to ay na-transfer namin dito. So, ngayon, ito ngayon yung tatapusin ni Daddy. Hopefully, matapos niya today. So, ayan. Konti na lang to. Okay, update guys. It's 7:16 p.m. Nalagyan na rin ng ganyan. Dito medyo nagtagal si Daddy. Medyo nahirapan siyang gawin. Pero okay na.
The next day.
Okay, hey guys, time check. It's 12:40 a.m. So, ito na yung natapos ni Daddy. Konting-konti na lang. So, ayan. Tapos na dito. Then, dito, konti na lang sa papuntang bathroom and mechanical room.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa backyard namin. Mag-barbecue kami. Okay guys, ito ang aming iihaw. Okay guys, update. It's 10:30 p.m. and natapos na ni Daddy yung buong flooring. So, ayan. Tapos, ilalagay niya na lang ulit yung, babalik niya na lang yung mga trim. Ayun. Sa mga gilid-gilid. And that's it. Maglilinis na lang kami. Then, ibabalik yung mga furniture sa ating pwesto.
The next day.
Okay, hey guys, today is the 3rd day and the final day ng aming flooring renovation. So, ayan, tapos na. So, mag-ano na kami, maglilinis and i-reorganize yung mga furniture. So, ang bala ko, itong TV namin, dito muna siya sa side na to. So, in-sprayan ni Daddy ng puti yung mga trimming na para ma-hide yung mga nails. Ito, dito sa part na to, na ayos na namin dito. And then, iniisip ko dito sa maliit na space ng aming shoe rack or shoe cabinet, hahanap ako dyan ng magandang box or lagayan para itong mga to is, ito temporary lang muna ito. So, yan. Para lahat ng mga kailangan or mga abubot is naka-hide siya. So, for now, ganyan na muna. And then, babalik na namin itong mga furniture. Hey guys, so update, ito na, nakatapos na kaming mag-ayos. So ito na ang aming finished product. Final result ng aming renovation. Ayan. Tapos iniisip ko na bumili ng area rug. So, para dito sa sala. And then, wala yung mga bike namin nandito kasi wala kaming extra storage. Pero, pag winter, nilalagay namin to sa dito sa storage na to. Pero sa ngayon, andyan muna. Tapos, dito, yung mga decors namin, mga bunnies. Pero, iaano ko na rin yan. Ililikumin ko na rin yan soon. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Hey, guys! So, this marks the final part of my vlog. And first and foremost, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for taking the time to watch this video during my birthday week. And guess what? This isn't the end of the celebration. There are more vlogs coming your way. So now let's get to what you've all been waiting for. I'm going to share with you the total cost of the floor renovation. But before that, I want to mention that all the equipment to be used was purchased from the Home Depot, while the flooring itself came from Costco. So I have my iPhone here with me to ensure I provide you the correct figures. So let's dive in. So first, the vinyl flooring. So we initially bought 25 boxes, but we end up returning 4 boxes, and each box cost $33.99, which means the total for the 21 boxes we kept is $713.79. And then we also bought a spray paint from Michaels. We got the Painter's Touch white spray paint for $4.59. So I used a 20% off coupon on this purchase plus a $5 voucher. I saved quite a bit as the original price was $11.99. And then we bought some bright finish nails, 6 ounces, cost $3.83. And then for the sealant, we got the Dynaflex 230 white sealant for $6.28. And then for the molding, we got the Vinyl Glaston 4-in-1 molding, cost $39.98. And then we got 3 white acrylic latex plus silicone for $11.94. We also got a utility knife. It's a Stanley Classic 99 utility knife for $7.97. And also a set of 5-piece blade, which cost $2.97. So with a total amount coming to $791.35. So that brings us to the end of the breakdown. Thank you all for being part of this journey. I hope this breakdown provides you with useful insights or ideas, especially if you're considering to do a DIY flooring renovation for your home. So yeah, I'll end the video here and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!